Hi everyone, good morning from my side. It's me, Eva speaking, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook kuah putih ikan. Okay, in my village, I'm gonna use it's traditional method, I can say it. And yeah, I'm gonna make videos about this, guys. So you can see my village. Actually, this is the backyard of my parents' house. There are coconut trees there. There are banana trees. Okay. Oh yeah, guys, you can see. We can call it like cacao tree. Yeah, cacao tree. So most of the people here, the society here, they gonna have cacao tree garden, and they can sell the cacao to the people, and then they're gonna have much money. Okay, guys, and this is my, I can say that kitchen, traditional kitchen. So I can cook like water or whatever I can cook here. Okay. Well, now I'm roasting the fish. I'm gonna cook fish, guys. Actually it's still traditional method in my village. So if you want to roast the fish, you can use this. I can say, okay, this wood. Yeah, you can use it, guys. Wood or okay. Oh my goodness, so hot. Oh, do you like fish, guys? I'm gonna cook with. In my village, we call it kuah putih ikan. We're gonna use like coconut. Yeah, this is coconut. Yeah, this is coconut, guys. And I'm gonna try to. Alright, guys, this is coconut that I've cut, and now I'm gonna do it. This is still traditional method how to take milks of coconut. So I'm gonna use this like this. Okay, you can do like this. Maybe for you, for the first time, it's kind of hard to do, but it's okay. You can try it. It's gonna be easy for you if you always try to do this, guys. Or we can call it santan. Yeah, and this is the ingredients. The how to cook.
Now for you.
Alright, guys, you can see now it's kuah putih ikan. I think it's gonna be well. Yeah, you just wait for a minute. Okay, and you can see. Okay, this is the fish that I roast, and yeah, this is, you can call it how to say in Indonesia, but in my village we can call it kambas. Okay, kambas. Do you know kambas, guys? This is one of the vegetables in my village. Kambas is, I think it's nice, but yeah, maybe the taste is a little bit like bitter, but it's okay. I like it so much. Okay, guys, now it's gonna be done. Wow, do you like this? Kuah putih ikan by me, Eva Naksaria. Okay, guys, kuah putih ikan is ready to be served. And I'm gonna eat now. Okay, guys, see ya.